Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Spider-Man. It's kind of like a cool shape. He looks kind of like a Funko Pop, pretty much. That's kind of what I'm going to do. And it's just going to be the head. So that's pretty much it. Really simple. I'm going to do something at the very end that's going to tie the drawing together. So stay to the very end. It's only about an 8-minute drawing. So it's going to be for beginners. So let's do it step by step, all right? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a kind of straight line for the top of the head. Also, don't forget, hit the subscribe. If you like learning how to draw in these short formats, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. It's going to let you know when I post, okay? I'm going to go over here, curve around the corner here. Go over here on this side, curve around this corner, because Funko Pops the heads are kind of, they're square, but they're very rounded off edges, like very rounded off. Over here, and we're gonna curve around there. And we have the shape of our Funko Pop head. All right, gonna go over here. I'm gonna start with the left eye, at least left on our side. Go up. Right here, kind of a bit of a swoop right there. Go over here. Down underneath, curve up. Go over here on this side. Curve underneath here. All right. And I'm gonna thicken out those lines right here, because initially you're doing that because you're trying to find you know, the placement, but now that we have the placement, I'm gonna thicken the lines out a bit just on here. I'm gonna go on this side. Same thing, straighten out the lines on this side. Okay. Go over here and draw a circle for the center, kind of the web design. That's kind of what we're after. Alright, we're going to draw a line up. Go over here, draw a line up. Go over here, draw a line up. Right, so it's kind of like a sun we're looking at, right? Like when you draw a cartoon sun when you're like a kid, whatever, like younger. You can go over here, here, go out this direction, and it pops out over here. Go over here this direction, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. Gonna go inward, curve in, curve in, curve in, curve in, curve in here, curve in here, curve in here, curve in here. Gonna do it again, curve in here, curve in here, curve in here, curve in here, curve, curve, curve in here, curve in here, curve in here. And you have that net. And one last thing here, I'm going to draw a thick line around the border. That's kind of the thicker line around here. And that's pretty much it. If you want to add a little bit of color, we can do that. Let's grab a marker here and add a little bit of color. I'm grabbing a Copic marker. best marker. This and the Prismacolor are the best. Just gonna add it in. And the cool part is that Spider-Man's pretty easy to draw, honestly. As far as, I'm sorry, easy to color, because it's just like red and blue for the most part. I think that lends to the popularity of the character. The design is easy to do. It's such a great design. And you can make different versions of it, as obviously that's happened of the outfit. And as long as you have like a web and stuff, it's pretty recognizable. I'll fill that in there. Thank you so much. If you want to do me a favor, hit the share button. Share it with a friend. Obviously hit that like, but share it with a friend that maybe also likes Spider-Man, also likes to learn how to draw. Very simple stuff like this. But thank you very much. I will talk to you in the next video, and I will see you very soon. Okay? Reach out. If you can hear this voice right now, if you can hear me, say hi in the comments, and I'll say hi back. Alright? See ya. So if you're looking to upgrade your art skill overall, I highly recommend you check out my Skillshare. It's also completely for beginners. The biggest difference is these are hour-long courses on drawing, like I said. So if you're starting out, this is perfect for you as well. It's just that I take longer on each particular topic to really ingrain it in you, and this is how people fully level up their art skill if you're serious about it. So like I said, I have things here on the basics of drawing. I have the anatomy. I go over anime as well. I go over cartoons as well here. I go over drawing basics. Also fantasy art topics like dragons and things of that sort. There's a dragon drawing video here. This is like pretty much the mecca for stuff like this. What you should do as well, normally this stuff is like $40, right? The whole website, but go to the link in the description of the YouTube video you're watching right now. Go down, check out the link with the hearts on it. Right below that, click that link for Skillshare, and that will give you, at least the first, I think the first 100 people, it's going to give you a free month of Skillshare. So basically you can see everything on this thing completely for free for a month without paying anything. So that's what's cool about it. So like I said, this is only for the, people that are very, they really want to do this and they really want to put a lot of time into this. Go check this out. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload. And on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.